Hello YouTube, Indy and I are outside. Indy, are we outside? I kind of just wanted to sit down and talk to you a little bit. As you've probably seen by the title of this video, I have gained some weight. Yeah, it looks like my camera's about to die. What's new? Last night my friend and I'm having a diet A&W. My friends came over, Danielle and Zach, my best friend Danielle and her fiance, and I've been doing super good with my weight loss the last few days. However, I want to talk to you guys about my recent weight gain. So in 2018 into 2019, I lost about 65 pounds in a year or so, and then we had went on a vacation, a family vacation with my parents to Vegas for a week. I ate whatever I wanted, essentially, and I fell off track. I gained about 10 pounds, and I kept that 10 pounds on for quite a while. And then I'd go between losing, gaining constantly. I'm still in this like battle of gaining weight, losing weight. So long story short, I have gained about 30 pounds of my 65 that I lost. 25 to 30, give or take. I haven't weighed myself today, but really upsetting. But I'm also not going to let it affect me. I keep seeing like this spider web, but I'm gonna let it affect me mentally more than it already has. I've been really depressed. Not depressed, I shouldn't say depressed, but I've been really upset with myself. I was in a job for a while that was very mentally challenging, in a sense of they tore me down every day. I'd cry every day when I'd get off of work, and I'd eat to satisfy my feelings, and I don't share that kind of stuff because I don't want it to like be negative, but I feel like sharing the bad things help not only myself, because like getting out there and being like, okay, I can be 100% honest, like they'll understand, whoever will understand. And if I can tell my close friends, I should be able to tell you guys certain things. And I feel like sometimes I just feel scared too for judgment, but in the long run I feel like it's more helpful than anything, because I want you to know that you're not alone. No matter what it is, a job, a relationship, anything, you'll get through it, and we're gonna get through this. I made a post on my Instagram yesterday, and I got so many people with good feedbacks coming into my DMs, messaging me, even on my picture. Like, it's just insane how you can tell something and be so scared to put it out there into the world, and so many people will come back and support you and tell you everything's gonna be fine. Like, I'm going through this XYZ, and I made it through, where I'm struggling really bad, and your post helps me so much. And I actually woke up, and the first thing I did was check my Instagram, because I was so nervous. I'm like, oh my god, what's this thing of me gaining 25 to 30 pounds almost, and like I'm so nervous. But the feedback was so good that I actually was crying. I was laying in bed when I woke up for work just crying. Like, I just couldn't help it. I was so overwhelmed and happy with the response, you know. I hope my battery doesn't die here. But I just wanted to do a short little brief, let YouTube know, because I know YouTube family is different than Instagram, and not everybody follows me on both platforms, and that's totally fine. I have more daily updates on my Instagram, but I don't ever want to leave my YouTube fam in the dark. I have a lot of wedding stuff that I have planned, and I'm going to try to make some more videos. And after this video, I'm definitely going to be posting some more of my older videos that I haven't posted, because I am terrible at editing. I'm so sorry. I've just been in such a rut, and I think gaining weight put a toll on me, because I share my journey, my weight loss journey, and I get so scared to post the negative stuff, because I don't want to be a failure in a sense, but you can't hide from it. I mean, I can tell in my face and my legs, I can tell in my stomach. I get bloated every single night. I might put a picture up here. I'm being very vulnerable, but I just want to help somebody if they need it. I was going through a phase where binge eating was really, really bad. I would eat to the point that my stomach would be so full. It's so uncomfortable to talk about. I don't know, it's just really hard to gain weight, but like I know that I can do it. It's just like I feel disappointed more than anything because sorry. Even right now, like I look over in the mirror and I can see my reflection and I'm just like really disappointed. And I know that I'm more than my weight, but I was doing so damn good. Like I felt so healthy. Like it's such a good feeling to lose weight, and like I'll never forget like my family and everything being so proud of me. And then like now I go to the farm, we have a farm up north, and for like holidays and stuff, and I feel so disappointed in myself because I see pictures and like my family would never say anything because they're not like that, but I get really bad anxiety around anybody, like because I know that I've gained weight. So just even around like even my parents, nobody even judges me probably or says anything, but like for me personally, I get really, really bad anxiety to go and do things anymore because I feel like people have always looked at my body because, oh, Brittney's lost weight, I can't wait to see what she looks like. And not that that's a bad thing, but when you've gained weight, it's really hard because I'm constantly thinking like, what are they thinking about me? And it's really scary living in your mind like that. And so just know that if you are in the same predicament, same boat as me, you are beautiful just the way you are. And I need to take a note for myself in my own book and learn that too. We're definitely more than our weight. Our family loves us for who we are, but we need to be healthy for our family. If you have kids, if you have parents, if you have anything you know that you really truly care about, you know, think about that. And that's like my biggest goal in life, is to lose weight, to have children, and then keep it off so I can actually play with my children. And it has nothing to do with how I look, but I can't lie, I would love to look skinnier and healthier. I felt so confident, like, oh my god, in my skinniest, whatever, my lowest weight, I felt so confident in anything, my sex life, my just everything. I felt so much more confident. Not that I still don't. I can definitely do more like sex life related stuff if anybody needs help with that, how to be more confident and stuff. But oh my god, you guys, I was crying and everything. I want to be honest, and this is going to be a short video, but I want you to know that it's okay to be upset at yourself. It's okay to have feelings in a way that, like, whatever you're feeling is valid, and just remember that you can get through it. We're going to get through it together. I'm always here for you guys. Message me. My Instagram's always open. Message me on here. You know, the messages, the comments down below, I do check them. I'm not very good at replying because I'm just so bad at it. I'm so sorry, but just know I'm always watching and I can see, and I'm always here for you guys. So on that note, I'm gonna go back inside, drink my A&W, edit this, get it up here quick. It's actually gonna be in real time. I'm gonna try to upload this tonight. But I love you guys so freaking much. Thank you for being my supporters and friends, and it truly is like weird to share my life just because I don't like negative feedback, but that's a part of it. If I'm sharing it, I need to know that there's going to be people's opinions, and I just need to live with it and ignore them, block them if I don't like it. But for the most part, 9.5 out of 10 times everybody's super supportive and kind. And if you're someone that's followed me from my lowest weight till now, just know. Okay, it's a little bit later. I charged my battery a little bit. It died mid-sentence. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching and supporting and being on my side always. Any feedback down below, your story, anything really helps me. I'm gonna be keeping up on here more motivated, more ready to go. My wedding is in like 200 and something days, and I have you know, I have a lot that I want to accomplish, but I'm not going to overdo it or push myself too hard. But I love to keep you guys along for the journey. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye guys.